Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring a stable connection and enough battery. Updates can pause if power is low. Once connected, open the Galaxy Store or Google Play depending on where you installed Samsung Messages. Make sure you're signed in so the store can check available updates. If the app lists Samsung Messages immediately, tap it, otherwise use the search bar. This first step gets the update listing so you can proceed. Do that now before moving to download and install. Once you tap Update, the download will begin. You'll see a progress indicator. Watch it for failures. If the store requests permissions, allow only what's necessary so the app can function after updating. Make sure automatic app optimization completes. This may take a minute. If the update stalls, pause and resume or switch to Wi-Fi. You're doing the core execution now, downloading, granting permissions, and letting the system finish installing so Messages is refreshed and ready. After installation, open Samsung Messages to confirm the update applied and test sending/receiving a message. If you see issues, clear the app cache and data, then reboot the phone. This often resolves glitches. If crashes continue, uninstall updates or reinstall the app from the store. Make sure storage isn't full and that app permissions are correct. If the store itself won't update the Galaxy Store or Play Store app. One key tip: reboot before retrying and install to clear temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.